So we have this 2013 Ford Escape, and when you turn on the windshield wipers, only one moves. That's fun. Let it come to rest. Pull the key out. Now they're on two separate sides, the wipers, so they got two individual wiper motors. So it should be a pretty easy replacement. So I'm just going to start a flathead screwdriver, start removing all these metal clips. Now with T25, remove the master cylinder reservoir. That just hangs down. That's free, that's good. Come on here, pop that cap. Pop that cap. Take a 15 millimeter and now I like to bend this. Eight millimeter. Now we'll take a look at the new one. It matches. Got this one directly from Ford. It's actually cheaper than an aftermarket one, so that works out great. This one's got a rubber grommet on it. I'm gonna take that one off so I can, because it's stuck in there. So if you can see that, hopefully. Connect that. Put it back up in there. Okay, you see this one spinning like it should. And we see this one spinning like it should. Yeah, so this is kind of like your more tedious. Now you just got to watch it, make sure they don't touch. Okay. Maybe it was just on for too long. Let's try it now. System off to save battery. There we go. Make sure they settle. I think I'm, let's see here. Okay. Sorry I didn't film, but what I did was I took the front right one and went a little bit lower with it. I think the driver's side is fine. Yeah, because it's clearing. So yeah, it's doing good. I'm gonna play with it for a little longer and just keep it going and make sure nothing fails. After a lot of testing, I'm comfortable with where everything sits. So I'm just going to put back these metal clips, tighten back up these 2 Torx bolts, put those caps back on, and be done with this job. Hope this video helped you. Like, subscribe, and if you guys need some high quality LED bulbs for this vehicle, head down into the description. Use that referral link. You can copy and paste my code and get yourself a discount. See you guys next time.